What if I told you that one simple tool could completely change the way you trade? A tool that helps you identify key market breakouts, spot trends before they take off, and even avoid costly mistakes. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to unlock one of the most powerful yet underrated tools in trading trendlines. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, trendlines can be a game changer. I'm going to show you how to draw them correctly, how to spot trendline breakouts, and how to use these breakouts for high-profit trades. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid strategy that you can start using in your trading today. Let's dive right in. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about how to draw trendlines. It's super simple but crucial to get right. The basic idea is to connect significant points on the chart, the lows for an uptrend and the highs for a downtrend. Here's the key. The more touches the trend line has, the stronger it is. This is where you can spot support in an uptrend or resistance in a downtrend. These levels are where price tends to react, so it's where you want to watch for breakouts. Now let's talk about breakouts. A breakout happens when the price breaks above or below these trend lines, signaling that the market might be starting a new trend. When price breaks above an uptrend line, it's a bullish signal, and when price breaks below a downtrend line, it's a bearish signal. This is where the fun begins. If you're looking for high-probability trades, a confirmed trendline breakout can be your golden ticket. So here's the strategy. 1. Draw your trend lines. Get the support and resistance levels in place. 2. Wait for the breakout. Don't jump the gun. Wait for the price to close above or below the trend line. 3. Enter the trade. Once the breakout is confirmed, enter the trade with confidence. You can even set a stop loss just beyond the trend line to manage risk. Trend lines might seem simple, but they are a key tool in identifying market direction and timing your trades effectively. When combined with price action, volume, and proper risk management, they can give you a major edge. So, there you have it, a powerful trendline breakout strategy that you can start using today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips every week. Also, drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're using trendlines in your own trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.